Hi, I'm Bernard Hill here from tenorhome.com. I'm sitting here with my very good friend Minesh Bhindi, who's a bit of an expert with social media, but he also runs an excellent business about trading in the stock and share market. And I've shown him my Tenor Home website, and you've got a few thoughts on that?
Yeah, I think it's a very good concept. I mean, I started in property. My first deal was £1 million worth of property, where we got £68,000 cash back and £250,000 in equity. So I know firsthand the power of property, and I know the power of property for financial freedom. If you know what you're doing right, and I think that's one thing that people don't know what they're doing. They don't have the business sense, and that's what Bernard teaches in his book that you get for £10. So. And to get that education for £10, it's a great step to go. But not only that, he's throwing in his house. Okay, but I don't think it's your house, but one of your investment.
That's one of my investment properties. Yeah, I thought I'd make it interesting. You know,
why not?
Get a bit of a thing going. So yeah.
So if you're, so what's better than that? You buy a book and you get a chance at financial freedom at no extra cost. Property can literally make somebody financially free and allow you to do the things that you really want to do. But I know it might sound like a bit of a scam, but the benefit of Tenor Home, is that the solicitors behind it are some of the best in the world, and all the contracts have been drawn up. And from a highly regulated industry that I come from, I like looking for things that make a deal set. And when you go to websites and you've got this promise like, I'm going to throw in a raffle to win a house, you'd normally think it's a scam. And that's what I did as well at first. Bernard's a nice guy, but everybody has those first instincts. But then I looked at the contracts and I looked at the solicitors behind it, and they're world-class solicitors. So I believe in it. I actually bought a book. Don't tell him, but I just told him. But I bought a book to get a raffle because it's a free house. At the end of the day, it's a free house. Buy it, win it, and sell it, and you'll make how much is it worth? 170 grand.
Yeah.
So just buy a book, £10. Put your name into the raffle. Win the property. If you win it, sell the property. Put the 200 grand into our trading system, and you're off and running.
Tell us a bit more about Protected Trader.
Well, the Protected Trader is a system and a systemized strategy that we've developed over 20 years to allow you to invest in the stock market with no risk. And a lot of our clients are property investors and people that have made money through other businesses. So you're literally investing in the market with no risk, generating good cash flow. So win the house, sell the property, come and invest with us.
It's a good idea.
And this is a great guy, by the way. I mean, the solicitors, the costs for the solicitors, nobody would be able to put that cost up front if they weren't already successful. Because the cost for hiring the world's best solicitors is a hell of a lot, and trust me, I know. Yeah, just take the cost of actually setting all this up, and the solicitors, the caliber of solicitors is amazing. So, great guy.
Thanks, Minesh.
No worries. I hope it works.